Guys, guess what? Ghana chips are extremely tasty. Like, you don't even need sugar, guys. Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, we're going to be learning how to make Ghana chips together. Without much ado, let's get down to business. So I'm going to introduce the ingredients. I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour here, half medium-sized onion, 3 tablespoons of well-softened butter, 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I'm going to be using 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 garlic cloves, and some milk. We're going to add our milk in little amounts till we reach our desired consistency, guys, and of course some vegetable oil for frying. So guys, I'm not going to be talking for the rest of the video, so follow carefully.